Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Me, this cold's still hanging around, but it's going away. I feel it going away. All right, guys. So I've got the full spoilers for the Ipsy Glam Bag for May. Now this is the standard bag, and I'm just going to start putting products up. There's like over 40 items here. So there was no way I could remember it all or anything like that. So I'm just posting the spoilers. So you should be seeing them by now. I don't know if I'm going to put like a couple of items on each page or whatever, but grab you a snack and coffee or whatever you need because there's over 40 products here and I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it shouldn't be too bad because I'm just going to get them right up and right out. Y'all know how I like to do it. I like to just go ahead and get the spoilers out and be done with it. That way you don't have to sit through me talking about every single product that there is. Now I also have the full spoilers for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, and that's the for May, of course. And I think that video is going to be going out next. So within about 45 minutes, or probably not even that, they should be going out. But anyways, guys, if you don't know anything about Ipsy, it is a monthly beauty subscription. And for $10, you'll be getting 5 deluxe sample size products and a really cute bag. You know, Ipsy's always got those really cute bags. And of course, there is an upgrade option, and that is for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now the box, I can't call it a bag because they don't even give bags in it anymore. But that box is $25 a month, and in that you will get 5 full-sized items, and they're going to be worth over $120. And of course, as always, Ipsy is going to be linked below. So if you want to go check them out, there is a link down there for you to go and do so. So anyways, guys, I don't know if I could talk through this whole video. I don't know how long it's going to take to get these products up on the screen or whatever. But I'm just going to probably cut it somewhere and run some music if I can't talk through the whole thing. I've got so many spoilers going out today. And I also wanted to go ahead and pre-film a couple of videos and get them edited and put up at least by next week. But I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to do it because these spoilers, they're going out like crazy. And I do spoilers for BoxyCharm, Ipsy, Deca Scarlet, which I think I've already got that one out today. So that one is out of the way. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and link the June spoilers that we have so far on Ipsy and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'll link them below just so you can go and see them. And that is it for this video, guys. So make sure your bell is on. That way you can be notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it shows that YouTube that you are watching my videos. That's all that matters, guys. And one more small favor before you guys leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.